Excuse me.
Hold on, my phone cussed. I gotta call you back, alright?
You better hurry up.
Alright, goodbye.
And you use my phone for it?
So sorry. Okay. Hi, I'm so sorry. Thanks for waiting. How may I help you?
Listen, I would like to buy this phone.
Alright, can I scan it? There you go.
How much? To pay.
712 is your total. 712 is your total.
712?
No, $7. Yeah, 712.
Oh, girl, I like your glass.
Okay, you don't do that to some workers.
Yes, it's
You this is not enough money. This is only 20.
Give me your phone or I'll shoot.
Security! Security! Oh, what's up? What's wrong with you? You don't do that to workers. Get out of the store. Get out of the store. Get out. Get out of the store. Good work, you paid off. Anyway, customer. Next customer. Next customer. I'm right here. Oh, hey.
How are you today?
I'm wonderful. Please don't put your hand on the
I'm pretty sure you seen me.
I'm so sorry, little lady. How may I help you?
I want this pin.
Alright. 10 cents, please. 10 cents.
Got
Cents, ma'am.
Here, take it out of this $20 crispy dollar bill. Girl, you got some nice glasses.
I did not just jack my glasses. You don't do that to workers. Let me give you your change.
Hurry up. And you threw my money on the floor. I am never coming back here. Never.
Oh, I need you to sign a receipt. Are you cool with that?
No. Let me get the receipt. Give me the receipt so I can sign it. Give it here.
Okay, 19.9 is your change. 19.9 is your change.
How is 19 now my change and the pen was only 10 cents?
You gave me a 20.
1990. Oh, okay.
90, my bad. Let me give you your change back to me. Here you go.